Okay guys, we are not yet done. There are some extra consonants which are raw, raw, and ontosto. Ontosto. Raw is pronounced just like, almost like the Spanish R. Raw, and this one is an aspirated version of this raw, so it's pronounced raw, 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 and this is called ontosto, o, and it is sometimes pronounced like yeah, like the Y sound, like yaw, and sometimes it's just not pronounced at all. And I'll probably explain it in some later video, or maybe later on in this video. I'll not delve much deeper into this now. Just memorize it as ontosto, and it is pronounced as yaw sometimes. This is raw. Raw. If you're not acquainted with the Spanish sound, then something like the way you would pronounce hard, like with an American accent, hard. The sound that's pronounced in this region is almost the same as raw, 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 understand. And these were the proper consonants. And now we have some extra symbols or graphemes. These are Kondoto. It's called Kondoto. Kondoto. Kondoto is it's pronounced as to, like and how to explain this? Say in the word cat, you're not exactly pronouncing the word T, right? It's not cat, it's cat. Like the T is, I guess, not fully pronounced. Like it's just a simple T sound. So that is what Kondoto is. Adding, say, this is ko, then you add Kondoto, it will give you the sound caught. But if you write the other to, oh wait, did I just miss the to borgo? Oh shit. Okay, sorry for using these words. So this will be pronounced as koto or koto. So using kondoto just means that you are not exactly pronouncing the to sound fully. That is why kondoto. Kondo means broken or divided, half. After that we have Onusar. Onusar is again just like Kondoto. It is a shortened version of the ng sound. So it just makes the ng sound, n sound, or you can write it like this. I guess. Yeah, the ng sound is Onusar. And we have Bisargo, Bisargo, which makes sound. It's like when you say ah, or say I don't know. It makes the h sound, the ending h sound. I don't know how to explain this. So this is Bisargo. Then we have Chandra Bindu. Chandra Bindu. It's written like this. Chandra Bindu. Chandra Bindu. Chandra Bindu is used for nasalizing a sound. Say you have ka, and then you add Chandra Bindu, it becomes ka, 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 ka. I hope you can make the difference. And this sign here is called Hasonto. 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 Which suppresses the vowel. Like this is ka, right? When you add hasonto, it becomes k. This is ka. This is k. You're not supposed to pronounce the inherent o sound. And then we have this sound, this diacritic, which is called jophola, 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 jophola. Jophola is, now this is quite difficult, a bit difficult, because it depends on the word that you're saying. Like it depends, the pronunciation depends on the word. Say the word mukho, which means head. Mukho, head, or in charge, or the leader. Mukho, or something special, important. Mukho. So here this is the jophola, and it just doubles the sound, doubles the consonant before it, so it becomes mukho. But say the word let me think of one. The word ha, ha, ha. This is a nasalization due to Chandra Bindu. Ha. This is ha. This is a. We'll get to that later. So when you add these two letters together, these two diacritics together, this jopola and akar, it becomes a. It is a bit tricky, but like with practice you will get a hang of it, I'm sure. So ha means yes in Bengali. Ha, ha. And then we have Rave, which is like same. Korta, pronounce korta. In the word korta, the Rave, it's pronounced like a preceding R sound. If you add Rave above a consonant, then you have to pronounce an R sound here, like this. Excuse me. So this will be pronounced like, you can break it like this. Wait, why are my calls so bad? Ka plus ra plus ta plus, okay, ka plus a plus ra plus ta plus a gives you the sound, gives you the letter korta. So this is ka plus a makes the sound ka. Then you have this R sound, which is denoted by this Rave. Then you have ta plus a, which gives you the sound ta, and of course the Rave, and you get korta. Well, we also have another thing called Bophola. Bophola is like when you add Bophola to a word, is just like the case here. You double the consonant. Say bidan, here in bidan, this is da. Well, I actually didn't cover these, I think. So this is da, okay, like the dental the sound da. So da with Bophola gives you da sound. It doubles the consonant. And this is ba with e. This is b, and this is double d, da, and you have akar. This is ikar. This is akar. This is a, and then you have n. It's done. Alright, that should be enough wait, why am I saving it? Oops. Oopsie, whoopsie. Well, let's cover the to borgo. This is to, pronounced to, like a dental T sound. To. This is a dental T sound. I'm really sorry I didn't cover these first. This is to, and then you have tho, aspirated T, tho, 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 do, do, and tho. Tho. Tho is just like bo, but you add this. This is tho. So that was to borgo. To, tho, do, tho. To, tho, do, tho, and no. Or did I go over this? I don't think I did. Wait, I think I made a mistake in the earlier consonants. When I was describing the consonants earlier, so that no was this. These look quite similar but are different. This is no. You write like this, no, and this is no. This is murdhanno, murdhanno, no, and this is dontono, dontonno, murdhanno no, dontono. Well, that was that, and I really suck at teaching. Okay. So we covered the consonants and we have covered the vowels. Now it's time for matra. 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 So what are matras? Matras are like special characters, like diacritics that represent a certain vowel sound. For example, this is a. A is represented with this symbol a. This is E, Rasoi, or a short E, and it's represented with this Rasoi. Dirghoi, and it is written like this. Dirghoi. Raso. It is written below the letter. I'll just show you how it is. This is ko. Ko plus a. Ka. Ko plus e is ki. Ko plus dirghoi, ki. Ko plus u. Kha plus dirgho u. It's written like this. This is for hrosso, this is for dirgho u. And this becomes ku. Ka, ki, ki, ku, ku. Now for re we have kri, kri. Just add this thing here, kri. And for a, you add this. This is K. This is koi, koi. And this is koi. And then you have O. It's really simple. You have A here and you have A here. So when you add A and A, it gives you O. Simple as that. This is for A, this is for OE, this is for O. Alright. And then we have O. Wait a second. So it is written like ko, and you add this thing here, becomes ko. Ko. Ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, kri, ke, koi, ko, ko. And for O, we don't have any matra because it is the inherent sound in all the consonants. So you just write ka and people will understand that you're saying ka and not something else. If you wanna like represent just the k sound, then you have to use the hosanto. Yeah. And don't confuse hosanto with rikar. So these are called, like when you are saying the a diacritic, you would say akar, ikar, hrosoikar, dirghoikar, hrosoikar, dirghoikar, rikar, like this. So we have also covered matra, and I think we are done with the basics of Bengali alphabet.